Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into the University of Brighton as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in My Brighton Activation. And that is My Brighton Activation. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link. You may have to allow cookies and then tap on the link given to you. Here you may have to zoom in if you're on a mobile browser and then hit continue. Here you'll have to enter your ID and your 8-digit student number, which should be provided to you by a college or university during the time of admission. Do remember that you must do this within 48 hours after applying. After you're done with this, you can head over to the search bar one more time, and then in the search bar you can type in My Brighton Login. Tap on the first link. If you're already logged in with a Microsoft account, you'll have to tap on Use Another Account. Here you'll have to enter the credentials that you just activated and then log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.